Simulation 008. Executing global factory reset. At 12 p.m., 8 billion people simultaneously lose their episodic memory. We don't forget how to walk or breathe, but we forget who we are. Procedural memory, skills remain intact, but context is gone. A pilot knows how to fly, but he doesn't know why he is in the sky or where he is going. The immediate result is chaos. Planes land in fields. Cars stop on highways. The global transport network freezes instantly. The social hierarchy evaporates. Who is the president? Who is a billionaire? Without memory, money is just green paper. Authority is an illusion. You look in the mirror, but you recognize the face of a stranger. Husbands don't recognize wives. Mothers don't recognize children. By nightfall, the grid fails. We revert to factory settings. We form tribes not based on politics or religion, but on immediate proximity. Civilization is just a memory. Without it, we are just hungry animals in suits. But the human brain hates a vacuum. If we can't remember the past, we start inventing a new one. New religions form in days. New languages emerge. We build a new world on the ashes of the old one, having no idea we built the ruins too. Simulation, result. Hard reboot, complete. Identity is fragile. Who are you? End log.